So as I mentioned, this is the membean website. Hopefully you can see the URL there in the top left corner. This happens to be a list of all the roots that they highlight on their website. And I'm just going to scroll down here and let you see this really exhaustive list of roots. You see some prefixes there with anti, and so also some affixes with ant. There are additional ones as well. And then they are listed alphabetically. And you see it just keeps going and going and going. I am confident that any root, affix, or prefix that you would happen to be studying in your unit or with your vocabulary from a story, you would be able to find here. So what is the point of this? Let me show you uniquely what this website does to support you and students in learning vocabulary. So our next week's morpheme of the week is going to be ladder. Ladder means side. And so what membean does, it's really cool, is you click on ladder and it gives you, there we go, a tree. So this is the morpheme tree for ladder. Ladder means side. You see how it really has a nice visual. This will support your EL students. And that side is kind of the anchor or the trunk. And then all these other words generate from that root of ladder, which is here at the bottom. And then you can click on each one, and we see there, I'll try to get closer, collateral, and there's the definition. It's a security or guarantee, usually represented by personal property, etc., etc. And then you can close that, and students can go to any word on the tree, and it gives them a definition. Bilateral, having identical parts on each side. Again, there's that connection. The root means side, identical parts. Let's just check one more. Let's look at laterally. Oh, So that's kind of cut off there. Okay, to or by or from the side. To or by or from the side. So that is the membean website. And one cool way, if I were in the classroom, and you certainly don't feel like you have to do this, but I would honestly present the root ladder and allow my students to decide which of these words they would like to learn, and they can do that individually. And so I would ask them to maybe choose 5 of these words to learn to spell and define. And then after a week or so of using different versions of ladder, of the root in class and throughout our work that week, I would have the students, like I said, to spell and define whichever words they have chosen. And obviously, if it's spelled correctly, that's fine. So it's okay that there's not a single key for the students, and that gives them voice and choice, and really gives them ownership over the word. So that is our resource for the week. Once again, that is membean.com, and this is /tree list because there are other portions to the website which you can explore on your own. That's our resource for the week from the Coach's Corner.